Hello everyone, welcome here. This is a Getting Started and Introduction to HTML and CSS course. This is Sekhar. I am the software industry expert from the past 15 years. So various programs we have designed and different types of programming, scripting and HTML and database courses we have trained so many students and professionals. So I would be more helpful and more detailed course information I'll introduce here. So let's begin the session. In the introduction, welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down the videos of complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use FAQs and practical exercises. And how to get help. Check with your knowledge using the documents shared with you. For a quick instance, check with the Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques. Submit your questions and ask your QA forum for detail what you have tried to with a screenshot, error or code practiced by you. And how to approach the course. The best way to approach the course is review videos again and again with your practical hands-on sessions. Once you are not getting an idea, you just go through the video again and again, then you try to practice. Follow the video guidelines and notebook extra information for practicing more. And in addition to example of video session may given you a very short examples. You try to expand the example and practice yourself. Review certain information by reading examples the parts of video sessions. Assessments and solution. You will be assigned a simple assessment on most of the sections in our course journey to be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures, how you are following and what you are learned in real time. Anyhow, you will be guided the solution for that assessment. So I hope you inside the course. Thank you for participating. Thank you.